Is your 515 outlet not working correctly? Maybe you're plugging something in and getting no power, or the outlet just isn't providing the results you expect. Before replacing the outlet or assuming there's a problem with the device you're plugging in, it's important to first determine whether the outlet is wired correctly. In this video, we'll walk you through how to test the standard NEMA 515 outlet, explain what each wire is responsible for, and show you how to identify potential wiring issues that could be affecting the outlet. Let's start by taking a look at how a 515 outlet is designed. It's rated for 15 amps, 125 volts, and uses 3 connections: a hot, a neutral, and a ground. To test if your outlet is working properly, you'll need a multimeter, preferably one with longer probes. Before testing, make sure the multimeter is set to AC voltage, typically represented by a V with a squiggly line. Once you have that all set up, it's time to finally diagnose the problem. Looking at your 515 outlet, it has 3 prongs with the ground on the bottom. First, test hot to neutral. Place one probe in the hot slot and the other in the neutral. You should get approximately 120 volts. If it shows up as less than 110 volts, we recommend consulting an electrician. Next, test hot to ground. You should see approximately 120 volts again. Finally, test neutral to ground. This reading should be 0 volts. Remember, the ground is a safety connection and should not carry electricity. If it shows anything else, that will cause a lot of problems. If your readings are significantly different from these, there could be an issue with the outlet, wiring, or circuit that needs to be addressed. And remember, working with live electricity can be dangerous. If you're unsure about your readings or uncomfortable performing these tests, contact an electrician. Hopefully this video helped you better understand how a 515 outlet should be wired and how to identify potential wiring issues. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.